Oh man, directly in my eyes. Hi everybody, I'm Paul from Canadian Woodworks and Legacy Lumber. It's Slaburday Saturday. We're switching it up on you. We're gonna go on site. We're gonna sawmill an ash tree. Not the biggest tree, but the customer wants to utilize the wood rather than see it go to wood chips or firewood. We're gonna take the Logosol. We're locked and loaded, so let's just get out of here and get on with it. I wanna say a big shout out to Logosol. They provided me this B1001 sawmill, so I want you guys to know that. With that said, I have used it a bunch. I'm giving you my honest opinion on it. It is a really fantastic sawmill, especially at a price point of 13,900 Canadian dollars. And the way you see mine with the log handling package, you're gonna add on another 5,000. So it's an under $20,000 sawmill and it's terrific. It's got a 23 horsepower Briggs & Stratton motor with electric start, strong yet super light construction. The band wheels are designed like fans, so it really blows the sawdust out of the way. It's got a water-cooled, lubricated blade. Log length it can handle is 16 feet long, a diameter of 39 inches, and has 33 inches between the throat if you're cutting live edge. Bye, honey. Love you. You can add smart set automation, so it automatically cuts and it has a little station where you control it. Comes with 2 log clamps, and it has a trailer package as well as adjustable feet, so when you set up on site you can level the sawmill real easily. While towing it here with my truck, I didn't even notice it behind the truck. It towed very, very well. Logosol products are available from Sylvania and they're located in Quebec, Canada. So I hope you enjoy this video. We're gonna make some sawdust. All right, not a huge tree, but it's nice to have clients that see the value instead of turning it into wood chips or firewood. This is an ash tree, which I don't know about your area, but where we are, there's the ash boring beetle, which is literally pretty much killing every single ash tree that we have here in Ontario. So it kind of sucks, but we're gonna be turning it into something useful. I think she may wanna make a coffee table or some side tables. I'm gonna meet with her now and see what kind of thickness that we're gonna be cutting this into. And if we look closely on the log, we can see all the trailings, I guess they're called, I don't know what they're called, of the beetle itself, which does add pretty cool character to the edge of it if you're gonna leave it live edge. Does not affect the wood at all, does not go to the inside. They just live between the bark and the wood. And from what I understand, as soon as the beetle makes it one time around the tree fully, the tree is basically doomed. So we're gonna get the sawmill down here. I'm gonna talk to the client. We're gonna get set up. All right, this was an easy one. The backyard is massive. We're able to drive right in. My sawmill's even on the right side of the log because we have a winch that we're gonna hook the cable around the log and hopefully hand crank it all the way up. Silly, silly me, Mr. Logger Man, didn't bring a chainsaw. So fortunately, the gentleman that dropped the tree did clean it up pretty good, but there's a couple limbs sticking off. So this is gonna be a bit of a challenge for the Logosol winch, I think. But fingers crossed it does it. All we gotta do now is take off the locking plates. I'm probably even just gonna leave it hooked right to the truck. I don't see a reason why I need to disconnect it. And we'll go from there. These ones, I always forget how to use them exactly. Let's see if I can remember here. Oh, look at that, locked and loaded, baby. Give it a little sneak peek, let's have a look. Okay, we've made as many cuts as we can before the fence gets in the way, so now we're going to be rolling the log all the way over. I'll just do that with a cant hook. We'll see how it goes. Make sure that hook is set. Almost concussion action, that's right. Here we go. Bam. Oh man, directly in my eyes. All right, it's a success. The log is all cut up. We're gonna pack it up now, raise up the winch, figure out how to get back on the truck, raise up all the jack stands, and lesson learned, folks. Full face mask or like ski goggles or something, because I have a lot of sawdust in my eye. If we had a big pile of logs, I would definitely be cutting, I would move the sawmill so it wasn't going directly in my face. So let's pack this up.